Hi, I'm ZSR librarian Hugh Womack, and today we're going to talk about creating an APA reference list from items in our Zotero library. So for the purposes of this example today, I'm going to use Lib 210, the social science research class, as an example and show you a library that has some sources in it on social justice and social media. That's a topic I'm interested in, and it applies to Lib 210, so I thought I would use that as my example today. We've got 8 items in this collection, in this library. They're all scholarly journal items. As I click on them, I can see all of the information I need is located in the right pane. I have the title, the author, the publication, the volume, the issue, the page, the date for all of these items, DOI number. And it's very good to check on each of your sources and make sure you have all of that information. Make sure your item type is correct up here, that it says journal article and not web page, unless it is a web page, and then it should say web page. But it's good to proof these citations before we start to create a bibliography from them. So for the purposes of this example, we've got 8 sources. I'm only going to use 6 of them in my bibliography, so I'm going to show you that process. So the first thing I do is select the sources I want. Now, if you want to select non-contiguous items, you can hold down the Command key on the Mac and I can select non-contiguous items. For the purposes of this assignment, I'm going to select 6. You may need more or less depending on what you're working on. And once I've selected everything I need, I right-click and I say, create a bibliography from these items. At this point, I need to pick my citation style. I'm going to pick APA 7th edition. I want a bibliography, not the parenthetical in-text citations, although I could get those for this if I needed them, but I really don't. I need a bibliography. And I'm going to have it copy it to the clipboard so that I can paste it in either Google Docs or in Microsoft Word. I could save it as a .rtf or .html file or send it straight to a printer. I find it most useful to copy to clipboard and then paste it wherever I need it. I'll click OK. And then in this example, I'll open up Word. And in Word, I'll paste. And there's my bibliography. Now, I still need to put the word references centered at the top. And I still need to proof this bibliography and look for mistakes. I think I need an end to the page range right here in this second citation. I'll look to see that volume and issue was added for all of these that are scholarly journal articles, that I have the title of the journal. And so I still need to proof these even after Zotero creates them, but as you can see, Zotero can create a very nice library, a very nice bibliography from your library. And that's all it takes to output a bibliography from Zotero into either Google Docs or Microsoft Word. I'm Hugh Womack. Thanks for your attention.